Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can build agents using N8N. So you can start by logging into your N8N instance, and then you will have to click on New Workflow or Create Workflow. And then you will have to add add a trigger node like webhook or telegram trigger. It depends on how you want the agent to start. So just search for webhook or telegram and then just click on that, and after that you will have to add an OpenAI node or HTTP request node to process incoming messages using AI. You will need your API key and endpoint from OpenAI. Then you will add logic and decision nodes like if, switch, or function so that you will be able to guide your agent's behavior. You can even store memory using set or write to Google Sheets. Finally, add a response output such as HTTP response, email, or send telegram message. Once the flow is complete, you will just click execute workflow so that you will be able to test it. Then click activate to make the agent live. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.